My company. Where do you work? An interview.
Hi, you must be Yanis. I'm Gracie.
Hello, Gracie. Nice to meet you. Shall we sit over there in the corner? It's more quiet.
That's a good idea. Let's order something to drink. Right, let's get started. Yanis, can you tell me where you work?
I work for Kids We Care For. Our company raises money to help small children who are ill.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they have to stay in hospital for a long time. Sometimes they are at home.
What does Kids We Care For do with the money? How do they help these children?
My company organises things to cheer them up so they can forget about their illness.
Right.
We organise trips to the zoo or to Efteling and other theme parks. If children are too ill, we do things in hospital or at home.
Mm-hmm.
We hire a juggler or a clown, or sometimes an artist, a singer, or a painter to paint a child's portrait.
That sounds like great fun.
Yes.
And Yanis, what exactly is your job with Kids We Care For?
I call companies and ask them to sponsor us. I also write letters to new sponsors and tell them about the things we're doing with their money.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a lot of administration to take care of.
How long have you been with Kids We Care For?
I started 2 years ago. I hope to stay for at least 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
After 5 years, I want to change jobs and work for a different company.
Right. Thank you for this interview, Yanis. It will be on our website tomorrow afternoon.
Oh, my pleasure, Gracie. Let's have another drink.